Hi, this is Mike Haber. Thanks for asking me, what is proof beyond a reasonable doubt? This is an excellent question, and the textbook definition starts with what a reasonable doubt is not. Proof beyond a reasonable doubt is not proof beyond all doubt, and it doesn't mean proof to an absolute certainty. But it does require proof beyond the probable, or the likely, or the very likely, or even the most probably. In order to find someone guilty beyond a reasonable doubt, a jury must have an abiding conviction of guilt. In Florida, the Supreme Court has approved a standard jury instruction that goes like this. A reasonable doubt is not a mere possible doubt, a speculative, imaginary, or a forced doubt. Such a doubt must not influence you to return a verdict of not guilty if you have an abiding conviction of guilt. On the other hand, if after carefully considering, comparing, and weighing all of the evidence, there is not an abiding conviction of guilt, or if having a conviction, it is one which is not stable, but one which wavers and vacillates, then the charge is not proved beyond every reasonable doubt, and you must find the defendant not guilty because the doubt is reasonable. A reasonable doubt may arise from the evidence, conflict in the evidence, or lack of evidence. So what is proof beyond a reasonable doubt? Well, if you ask me, proof beyond a reasonable doubt is the highest level of proof that you can find without being absolutely certain. It is beyond extremely likely or even almost certain. It is, as the Florida Supreme Court says, an abiding conviction of guilt. Thank you for your question. I appreciate your having asked it. I invite you to ask me more. Please remember at Michael A. HaberPA, it's all about reasonable doubt. And if you like this video, please subscribe. We'll be putting out more soon.